Hey, I'm Sagar and posting this video after a long time, right? So yeah, I was busy a couple of weeks. My exam was going on, and yeah, just I was so much busy. And in this video, I want to share my progress in just 3 weeks. Means from the day I posted my previous video till now, I had made pretty much decent progress, and I will tell you all about that, right? Let's get into this video. You guys don't know that I had been doing an internship as an AI ML researcher at All AI. Here's the what we call offer letter, you can see. So the time duration is from of 1 month of this entire August, and yeah, I just applied on LinkedIn and got selected, and it was pretty much decent. And I have been with this company is great. I've been working since a couple of days, एक ही हफ्ता हुआ है अभी तो फिलहाल, but it's great. I am learning about embeddings, how the transformers works, and we need to just show the report on a particular topic on which we are researching. It could be a review article or something like your own research. So it's cool, right? So yeah, I'm just learning that, and you know, I think this is a great opportunity for me for the life or experience also, and also to learn. Means it's sort of a pressure, right? That you need to complete a specific task in a particular given time, and it just create a good pressure on you in order to complete the task with quality and less time, right? That's really good. And yeah, I was doing internship, and along with that I was rigorously solving questions on LeetCode. So the previous video that I have recorded on my channel, on that video I have solved over 77 questions on LeetCode. 76 or 77, you can go and see. I think it's 77 or 75, like that. And now in just 3 weeks I had solved over 140 LeetCode question. I have crossed the benchmark of 100, and my aim is to cross 150 in just a couple of days. And yeah, 140, approx 140 question to be exact. It's 138. I'm pasting here, you can see all the details. And yeah, I think it's a great progress. I was working all day and night solving problems, learning concept, you know, optimizing my code to the best optimized solution ever, and just grinding like hell. And by this, my studies are a little bit degrading, and that's fine. I don't care actually. Means I do care, but my first priority is code, right? And it's fine. So yeah, that was my progress, and really excited for this internship. Let's see how it went. I will tell you the whole process, and no, not whole process, the whole experience of mine of doing this internship at All OI. And it's been a great journey. I'm very grateful for what happened in my life, and it's really great. I'm really amazed by the opportunities happening to me, and I'm just pretty much grateful. And yeah, I'm just grinding LeetCode. I need to solve at least 3 to 400 problems, at least 400 problems this year. This is my goal, 400 LeetCode this year, and let's see where it ends. And yeah, that was the progress. Let's end this video right here. And if you want any specific video on any topic, comment down, and let's see what I can do for you guys. And if you like this video, subscribe, share what you want to, and just and yeah, comment also how's the progress feeling to you, getting an internship, solving LeetCode, solving 140 LeetCode. It's, I think, pretty much decent, not the best, but it depends on the type of what problems you're solving. Currently I'm focusing on more type of easy, but from next week I will be start solving medium problems frequently. And yeah, I will be focusing on medium because I have solved over 100 plus easy problems, which is good, which is means, it's cool. Now I need to focus on medium problem like that. So yeah, comment your thoughts on my progress. Thank you.